spreads fast, and the only way you can stop it is by checking it before you forward it to anyone. So on this episode of Fact Checking, first up is a claim that's doing the rounds. In fact, a news channel reported that the Home Ministry has permitted the reopening of schools. Now, this is not correct information. The Home Ministry has not yet given its nod to the reopening of schools in India. In fact, the Human Resources Development Ministry and the National Council for Educational Research and Training are together forming guidelines for the reopening of schools, which will eventually reopen. The guidelines so far are have not been released into the public, but it's being speculated that students of higher secondary school, students of classes 9th and above will perhaps rejoin school first, and maybe after 3 months from now, junior classes will also resume. But right now, the Home Ministry has not given its nod for the resumption of classes. A video of a crowded market is going viral, and users are claiming that this video was taken in India. In India's Hyderabad's Medina market, to be precise, and this footage was taken in the run-up to Eid. These are shoppers who are shopping for the big festival, but this video has nothing to do with India. It's in fact coming from Pakistan's Faisalabad. A Pakistani journalist was one of the first people to share this video and criticize the relaxations that have been given to the lockdown just before the big festival of Eid. A post going viral on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter now claims that the Australian $10 billion note apparently has Bill Gates' image along with a design of the coronavirus. Now, this is impossible, and of course it's fake news. The $10 bill that's in question was designed in 2017. It was released by the Reserve Bank of Australia in 2017, and it features the Australian writer. It's not Bill Gates on this $10 note. In fact, it's an Australian writer who's featured on it. And the design that's being passed off as the coronavirus is in fact the Australian bramble wattle, which is a native plant to Australia. So the post is being shared with the claim that Bill Gates apparently has links with the spread of the virus, and that he will be trying to sell a vaccine cure for this illness. So this post is fake. The $10 bill note has been slightly modified as well, and the claim alongside it is also absolutely fake. And finally, a WhatsApp forwarded message being sent around is claiming that the central government has approved ₹5,000 relief funds for all of those people who are affected by the coronavirus lockdown. Do not fall for these kind of messages. There are many such fraudulent messages doing the rounds that claim that the government is offering cash relief for people in times when many people's resources have drained. Many job losses may also occur and are occurring as we speak. So these messages are false. In fact, this particular one redirects to a website that is also very dubious in nature. There are fraudulent, fabricated comments from fake so-called users who have claimed the benefits and recommend it. Do not fall for such fraudulent offers. That's all on this episode. Thanks for watching.